how to fix Claude AI unable to send code to this number. First, you want to open up your settings. Then you will search for iPhone storage. Click on iPhone storage. Now right here, you just want to find Claude AI. So I'm going to sort it by names, show all, and I'm going to find Claude. You want to offload the application, and once you have offloaded it, you will just reinstall it. Now, while we do this, if you're still getting this message after you have reinstalled the app, then it means that your phone number might not actually be supported, and you will need to use a friend's phone number or somebody who uses a different provider, so mobile service provider. And the last tip which I can give you is to check your area code. So for example, if you are in Colombia, just as an example, make sure you have written the code before your phone number when registering for Claude AI. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.